Okay, we are now here live via satellite and it's almost raining here at Taipei. So you can see the largest and tallest building at 101 Taipei here at Taiwan. So we are actually waiting for the New Year coming here at Taipei, Taiwan. So everybody is still watching and many people out there. So it's very rainy. Slightly raining here. You can see the 101 upstairs and it's already not quite be seen by the tallest building in the Taiwan. You see the tallest building here at Taipei, Taiwan. You cannot see upstairs because it's already cloudy. And it's already raining here at Taiwan. So approximately this is 14 degrees here. Okay, you can see upstairs. Okay, here your friendly bedlog here, live here via satellite here at Taipei, Taiwan. Happy New Year! Just waiting for 12 o'clock in the morning. This time we were waiting for the New Year's Eve to come. And I'm still here waiting. And it's already raining here. Raining here, Taipei. Okay. By the way, I want to end this live video TikTok. And waiting. And just waiting. Okay, I'm already still waiting.